I'm going to show you some different categories or different sets of numbers, and just understanding this helps us have better clarity in what we're trying to do in mathematics, and it's just good to have good terminology. Alright, so for the first set, why don't we just start counting? So I'm going to start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. I think you know how to do that. This set of numbers has a special name. These are called the natural numbers. And this set's often denoted with a double stroke N, like that. Okay, so this is the natural numbers, it's just the numbers that we count with. Now, you may want to include 0 and maybe like the opposites of these numbers. So in other words, the negatives as well. So I want to include 0 here, and then I don't only want 1, I want positive and negative 1, and positive and negative 2, and so on like that. Okay, these are the numbers that we deal with in most of our life, we feel like. These are called the integers, and it's denoted with a double stroke Z there, okay? So natural numbers, that's for counting. Integers, when we start getting into finance and things like that, we need to go in the negative direction. Okay, we need some integers. But now I want to have a slice of have a pizza, and I'm trying to divide it up among my 8 friends. I need to start worrying more about other type of numbers as well. So that includes these numbers, the zeros and the plus and minus ones and so on. But also I have stuff like this, plus and minus 1/2, and plus and minus 1/3, and maybe plus or minus 2.15. And these numbers that can be written as decimals and fractions. These guys are called rationals. They're denoted with a double stroke Q, which means quotients. Okay, so these 3 kind of groups of numbers are very common, and you can picture them kind of like this. So here I have a circle with the natural numbers in it. Okay, and I can broaden my horizons a little bit and include not only the naturals, but 0 and plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2, and I get the integers. But every natural number is an integer, and every integer also is rational. So let's include those as well. Alright, so now here we have the rational numbers. And remember, every natural is an integer, every integer is a rational. And these are the common numbers that we deal with on a day-to-day basis. I hope this idea makes sense. Just again, understanding this terminology helps clarify what we're trying to do in mathematics. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.